Hello students, class 12th. Today's class topic is accounting for share capital, or you can say accounting for issue of share. First of all, the question is meaning of company. A company is an voluntary association of persons who established a business through the law to earn the profit. It is an artificial person in the eyes of law, and it's distinct from its members. It has a share capital and a perpetual succession as well as a common share. As per this definition, you can say there are various features of the company. These are, you can say, company is an artificial person. It is an association which is established through the law for carrying a business to earn the profit. It has a perpetual existence, limited liability, right to transfer the shares. It has a common seal and a separate ownership from the management. According to point of view, there are three kinds of companies here: public company, private company, and one person company. But according to the Companies Act 2013, you can classify the company as company limited by shares, second company limited by guarantee, and third unlimited companies. Company limited by shares also are classified as private company, public company, and one person company. Here, as per your syllabus, you have to learn the theory of all these three: meaning and features of public company, meaning and features of private company, and meaning and features of one person company. But for numerical, the important company is here public company. So first of all, the line is given: company limited by shares. Company limited by shares is of the three types, as I stated: private company, public company, and one person company. Private company means the company having minimum paid up share capital as may be prescribed as per Companies Act 2013 and which by its articles: number 1, restrict the rights to transfer of the shares; second, limits the number of members to 200 except in case of OPC; prohibits any invitation to public for any securities of the company. It will have two or more persons, it will have last words private limited. This is the some specific features of the private company. These are company restrict right to transfer its share. सबसे पहला या सबसे पहली जो फीचर है वो ये है कि कंपनी अपने मेंबर्स को ये रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगाती है कि वो अपने शेयर को ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकते। तो दूसरा पॉइंट है वह है कि प्राइवेट कंपनी में जो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स और शेयर होल्डर्स है वह है 200। तीसरा पॉइंट ये है कि प्राइवेट कंपनी अपने शेयर को मार्केट में इशू नहीं कर सकती, आम पब्लिक को इनवाइट नहीं कर सकती। अगला पॉइंट ये है कि इट विल हैव 2 or more persons, कम से कम इसमें 2 persons होंगे और मैक्सिमम आपको पता है वह है 200, जो हमने आपसे पहले लाइन में स्टेट किया है। नेक्स्ट फीचर इज इट विल हैव लास्ट वर्ड्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। तो ऐसी कंपनियों के नाम के लास्ट में प्राइवेट लिमिटेड वर्ड मेंशन होगा, सफिक्स होगा। अब बात करते हैं पब्लिक कंपनी की। पब्लिक कंपनी मीन्स कंपनी विच इज नॉट अ प्राइवेट कंपनी। जो प्राइवेट कंपनी नहीं है वो पब्लिक कंपनी है। हैज अ मिनिमम पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल एज मे बी प्रिस्क्राइब्ड एज पर कंपनीज एक्ट 2013। विल हैव 7 or more members। यस, पब्लिक कंपनी में मिनिमम होगा 7 नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स, कम से कम 7 मेंबर होंगे और मैक्सिमम देयर इज नो लिमिट, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन द नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स ऑफ द कंपनी। नेम ऑफ कंपनी विद द लास्ट वर्ड लिमिटेड। पब्लिक कंपनी अपने नाम के साथ लास्ट में लिमिटेड वर्ड सफिक्स करेगी। अब नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द वन पर्सन कंपनी, ओपीसी कहते हैं इसको। वन पर्सन कंपनी मीन्स अ कंपनी विच हैज ओनली वन पर्सन एज अ मेंबर, एज अ शेयर होल्डर, एज अ ओनर, एज अ स्टेक होल्डर यू कैन से। द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ द ओपीसी, एक्चुअली इट इज प्राइवेट कंपनी। Such company will have to write one person company below its name to distinguish itself that it is OPC. Its paid up capital, that is minimum paid up capital, should be 1 lakh. Number of directors at least 1 and maximum 15 directors. It has natural person. All provisions applicable on private company shall also apply here on OPC, one person company. Exemptions to hold actual or annual. Exemptions to hold annual general meeting. It also need not prepare cash flow statement. These are some specific features for the OPC or one person company. Actually we have to learn here the numericals of the public company, so we have to focus on the public company. The next thing is the topic is share. What is share? Because here the capital of company is known as share capital, and this capital is divided in small units, and such small units are known as shares. One unit of the share capital, one small unit of the share capital, one small denomination of the share capital is known as shares. There are 2 types of share, maybe as per Companies Act 2013, preference share and equity share. Preference share have a right to receive dividend and received back capital before than equity shareholders. So they are known as preference share. The preference shareholder has the right to receive dividend before the equity shareholders, and preference shareholder have the right to receive the capital back in case of liquidation of company, comparatively equity shareholders, so they are known as preference shareholder. There are different types of preference shareholder. There are different types of preference share, you can say cumulative preference share, non-cumulative preference share, participating preference share, non-participating preference share. Redeemable preference share and non-redeemable preference share. Reserve, so you can say there are different variety, there are different types of preference share. Maybe there are different types of preference share. They are cumulative and non-cumulative, participating and non-participating, redeemable and irredeemable, convertible and non-convertible. They are the different types of preference share. Next is the equity share. Actually, the equity shareholder is the actual owner or proprietor or stakeholder of the companies. Equity shares are those shares which are not preferences to receive the dividend and not preferences to the take capital comparatively other shareholders. So they are the actual, they are the really owners of the company. Equity share may be as sweat equity share, but there are no types, no kinds of equity share. Equity share is equity share only. You can see the theory about these two points in your book, and the one thing important here, differentiate between equity share and preference share. Now the next thing, the next term is the share capital of the company. As we stated before, the capital of company is known as share capital because it divided in small units which are known as shares. As per kinds of share, the capital of company may be two types, equity share capital and preference share capital. But there are different kinds or forms of share capital. They are as authorized capital or nominal capital or registered capital. This is the one. Second is issued capital. Third is subscribed capital. Next is called up and paid up capital. This is the main forms of the share capital: authorized, issued, subscribed, called up and paid up. लेकिन अगर हम इनके साथ देखें तो मे बी देयर इज टोटल कैपिटल इज अथराइज्ड कैपिटल, बट आफ्टर दैट इशूड कैपिटल, अनइशूड कैपिटल, सब्सक्राइब्ड कैपिटल, नॉन सब्सक्राइब्ड कैपिटल, called up capital, uncalled up capital, paid up capital and unpaid capital, and the last is one, reserve capital. There are different forms of share capital which are shown in the form of balance sheet as a note. So these are some specific theories about the company which you have to learn, which you have to note in your copy and learn them. Thank you.